Hi, this is Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies. And we're going to show you how to press our 12-ounce latte.
Stay tuned. And we're back. So today we're going to be working with our 12-ounce latte mug, as well as our BJ870 4-in-1 mug press. We are going to be using our 12-ounce element with our L bar, which is perfect for using it with our 12-ounce latte element and our 17-ounce latte element.
We're going to make our design in Photoshop and print off of our F570. All right, here we go. We'll trim this up. And when trimming this up, make sure you leave some white space so when you put your transfer tape on, it does not overlap the ink. And then place where you want it on the mug. All right, we're going to slide it in with medium pressure, 360 degrees for 240 seconds. Okay, you're going to want to move your transfer immediately. And there you go.
You have one personalized mug. So again, the great thing about the BJ870 is it comes with an L bar. So the L bar will keep it in place, the mug in place, keeps it from slipping out because it is tapered, so sometimes it likes to come out of the press, so this will stop it from that happening. So thank you for watching our video tutorial, and we will see you next time.